Hi lovers, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So in today's tutorial, we're going to do a colorful makeup. Yes, I want the eyes to be colorful. Yes. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Joy. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by, please. So let's just go into this video. I might end up using voiceover because of the what do I call it, speaker issue that I'm having here, but so far so good. Let's see how it goes. Yet, and please let me apologize about my lights. The thing keeps coming on and off. I don't know what the problem is, so I'm sorry about all that. Now let's just go into that video. Okay, so we are starting off with moisturizer. The skin needs to be hydrated. If you want your makeup to be good, you need to moisturize, you need to hydrate the skin. Okay, and this is what I'm using for today from Neutrogena. You guys can see how that looks. So perfect. It looks cute. You see what my face is looking like now, what my skin is looking like. It's looking delicious. So let's just go. Going in now with my foundation. I am going to start with the ones I have here. Then we'll blend. I love to blend my foundation using a beauty blender. Yet, even when I use my brush, at the end I'll still go in with the beauty blender. So to contour, I'm making use of a darker shade of foundation to contour my face. And we're not doing too much, just a little, and then we'll blend everything all out using that same beauty blender but another side of it. You have to learn how to work with one beauty blender. So for my blush, I'll be going in with the red one today. Yes, we are not doing pinky today. I'm done with my blush. Let's dive into concealer. This is the concealer we're using. I applied my concealer on the places I need to highlight. That's the places I need more light. You know, highlight stands for light, while contour stands for shadows. So that's that. And then, of course, we are blending with the beauty blender. Yes. And you can see how this concealer blends out. That's one thing I love about this concealer. It's so nice and I love it. Our concealer is blended out, so time for setting powder, and we are setting with this. There's a setting powder we're using. Of course, you know how we do this. Just pick your setting powder and dust off the excess, then go in with the little you have there and set your under eye. Excess setting powder makes your under eye to crease. Okay, so I'm going in now with my pressed powder. I think my brush is not so dry. Shit. I hope it doesn't read things for me. And after that, you set the rest of the face using your powder. It's time for my eyebrows, so I'll quickly do that off the camera and I'll be right back, okay? We are back from eyebrow tour. We're done with the eyebrows, so let's move to the eyeshadow. I first of all blended my eyelid with my foundation. You can also do this with your concealer to get rid of that darkness you have there before going with eyeshadow primer. And this is the eyeshadow primer we will be using. Then I started by blending that on my crease as well. Make sure that your eyeshadow primer is well blended out and give it a little time to dry before you continue. So I went in with this brown shade first. I applied that on my crease. And then I started what I want to do. I did this outline using my gel liner. Yes. You see what I'm doing? I just want to do, also, I don't know, it just came to my mind and I said, let me just do it. So see what I'm drawing, see that outline? Yes. And I went in to fill it in with a pink eyeshadow. Yes, fill it in with a pink eyeshadow. And of course I had to bake my face because that eyeshadow was dropping, so I wouldn't want to cause too much trouble for myself. So that is why I went to bake the face, so that when the eyeshadow fall out, it will be so easy for me to dust it off. Okay, so I went ahead with dark eyeshadow, black eyeshadow actually, to create more shadows, to make that line, that outline stand out a more. And of course I went in with a lighter brown to blend it all out, giving it that smoky look somehow. Can you see that? And then I went in with this shimmer color. I don't know what to call this color I use at the center actually. So if you know, you let me know, because I don't know. And of course I went in with that pink again to blend it, so that the hash line won't be too much, but I actually want it to be like, to be visible, like this is where the pink stopped. And then I lined, but my lining wasn't much. I just did a bit of that liner, a bit of wing liner. Yes, not so much, because I already have a lot going on under eyes. You guys know me. I don't like sharp eyes like that. Okay, so I went ahead to dust the excess setting powder I put there. That's the setting powder I used to bake the face. And then this is a blush I use from CPD, the powder blush. I love it. It is well pigmented, very pigmented. And then for the lips, I went ahead to line with a dark pencil. I overlined a bit, just a bit, not too much. I overlined a bit, as you can see. Dark lip liner is one thing I don't use often. I hardly use it. I don't just know what came over me. I was like, I have to use dark lip liner today. Yes. So I used it, and of course you have to blend. You have to blend out your liner so that there will be no harsh lines. Blend it and blend it so well. So after that, I went in with the lip shade I wanted to use. I used just one lip color, one color of lip stain today, and I blended that into that liner. Can you see? Yes. So now I'm adding a bronzer at the tip of the nose, and of course the bridge of my nose as well, and then blend it all out so that it won't be harsh. Check out what I mean. This is the setting spray we'll be using. So today we are using a dewy setting spray because I don't want my face to be matte yet. I want to have some shine. I'm done with everything. I'll just put my hair together and I'll be right back. Okay? And look at that. See what we created. This is beautiful. This is divine. I love it. And I know that you love it too. So do I. Wow. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment for me in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Till I come your way next time, I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye. In front of the mirror, lights low and bright. It's showing shadows, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight.